Hi my friends. This series provides an opportunity to expand your English vocabulary and learn new phrases, with each word or expression accompanied by its meaning. This approach can make it easier for you to memorize the new terms. The simple structure of the videos makes them convenient to use, so you can pick up more vocabulary even while doing everyday activities like cooking, relaxing, or getting ready for bed. Phrasal verb. Come through. To get better after a serious illness or to avoid serious injury. With such a weak heart, she was lucky to come through the operation. Come up. To appear above the soil. The daffodils are just beginning to come up. Come up with. To find or produce an answer, a sum of money, etc. She came up with a new idea for increasing sales. Cool off. To become cool or cooler. We cooled off with a swim in the lake. Count on. To be confident that you can depend on someone. You can always count on Michael in a crisis. Cover up. To stop people discovering the truth about something bad. The company tried to cover up its employment of illegal immigrants. Crack down. To start dealing with bad or illegal behavior in a more severe way. Police organized operations to crack down in the area's most dangerous neighborhoods. Cross off. To remove someone or something, such as a name, from a list by drawing a line through it. Did you cross her name off the guest list? Cut back. To reduce something. If we don't sell more, we'll have to cut back production. Cut down. To kill somebody. He was cut down by an assassin's bullet. Cut off. To interrupt somebody who is speaking on the phone by breaking the connection. We were cut off in the middle of our conversation. Cut out. To make something by cutting. She cut the dress out of some old material. Cut up. To cut something into pieces. How do you stop your eyes from watering when you're cutting up onions? Deal with. To do business with a person, a company, or an organization. Our factory deals directly with its customers. Do away with. To get rid of something or stop using something. Computerization has enabled us to do away with a lot of paperwork. Do over. To attack and beat somebody severely. He was done over by a gang of thugs. Do without. To manage without somebody or something. If they can't get it to us in time, we'll just have to do without. Doze off. To go to sleep, especially during the day. She dozed off in front of the fire. Dress up. To wear clothes that are more formal than those you usually wear. There's no need to dress up, come as you are. Drop in. To pay an informal visit to a person or a place. I thought I'd drop in on you while I was passing. Drop off. To fall into a light sleep. I dropped off and missed the end of the film. Drop out. To no longer take part in or be part of something. He has dropped out of active politics. Dry off. To become dry or make something dry. We went swimming and then lay in the sun to dry off. Dry out. To make something dry, or to become dry. If you don't keep food covered, it dries out. Dry up. To become completely dry. During the drought, the river dried up. Eat up. To eat all of something. Come on. Eat up your potatoes. End up. To finally be in a particular place or situation. They're traveling across Europe by train and are planning to end up in Moscow. Fall apart. To break into pieces. My poor old boots are falling apart. Fall behind. To fail to keep level with somebody or something. She soon fell behind the leaders. Fall down. To be shown to be not true or not good enough. And that's where the theory falls down. Fall for. To be strongly attracted to somebody, to fall in love with somebody. They fell for each other instantly. Fall off. To decrease in quantity or quality. Attendance at my lectures has fallen off considerably. Fall out. To become loose and drop. His hair is falling out. Fall over. To stop working suddenly. My spreadsheet keeps falling over. Fall through. To not be completed, or not happen. Our plans fell through because of lack of money. Feel up to. To have the energy to do something. I don't feel up to going out tonight. Fight back. To resist strongly or attack somebody who has attacked you. It is time to fight back against street crime. Figure on. To say what you think the price or value of something is. There will be a rate increase, but plans aren't far enough along to put a price on it yet. Fill in. To give someone extra or missing information. I filled her in on the latest gossip. Fill out. To become larger. When John is older and fills out some, he'll be an outstanding athlete. Fill up. To become completely full, to make something completely full. The ditches had filled up with mud. Find out. To get some information about something or somebody by asking, reading, etc. She'd been seeing the boy for a while but didn't want her parents to find out. Fix up. To repair, decorate, or make something ready. They fixed up the house before they moved in. Flip out. To become extremely angry or to lose control of yourself from surprise or shock. I nearly flipped out when she told me she and David were getting married. Float around. If an idea, etc., is floating around, it is talked about by a number of people or passed from one person to another. There's a rumor floating around that you're thinking of leaving. Follow up. To add to something that you have just done by doing something else. You should follow up your phone call with an email or a letter. Fool around. To behave in a silly way, especially in a way that might have dangerous results. Don't fool around with matches. Freak out. To become or cause someone to become extremely emotional. He freaked out when he heard he'd got the job. Get ahead. To be successful in the work that you do. It's tough for a woman to get ahead in politics. Get along. To leave a place. It's time we were getting along. Get around to. To find the time to do something. I meant to do the ironing, but I didn't get round to it. Get away. To succeed in leaving a place. I won't be able to get away from the office before 7. Get back. To return, especially to your home. We only got back from our trip yesterday. Get back at. To punish someone because that person has done something wrong to you. I think he's trying to get back at her for what she said in the meeting. Get back to. To speak or write to somebody again later, especially in order to give a reply. I'll find out and get back to you. Get behind. To fail to make enough progress or to produce something at the right time. He got behind with the payments for his car. Get by. To manage to live or do a particular thing using the money, knowledge, equipment, etc. that you have. How does she get by on such a small salary? Get down. To start to direct your efforts and attention towards something. I've got a lot of work to do, but I can't seem to get down to it. Get in. To arrive at a place. The train got in late. Get off. To leave a place, usually in order to start a journey. If we can get off by 7 o'clock, the roads will be clearer. Congratulations on finishing this section. To enhance your pronunciation, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.